Play to me means fun. All different varieties of it. It's a chance for children to sort of learn and grow through their own means, really. I think a large part of how children understand the world is through play. The way they interact with their environment, with their peers, with adults, sort of shapes how they understand the world.
I love watching kids use their creativity and kind of grow that, either through art or building dens or practicing that kind of thing in their brain that doesn't need a phone.
Yeah, I think it's important for the community. Obviously, we run our open access play sessions out of community centres, so it's important for the community to know that we're here, and we do our National Play Day event where we sort of bring lots of different areas of the community together. We work closely with the community council, with the local authority to provide these open access sessions. We've got several Welsh speakers. We've got bilingual schools in the area, so we do tend to encourage our Welsh-speaking staff to use Welsh. I find that my Welsh is bare bones at best, so if I pronounce a Welsh word wrong, it's always nice to be corrected by a child.
Dwi wedi siarad Cymraeg am blynyddoedd ers i fi fod yn fel 3 mlwydd oed, felly mae Cymraeg yn fel iaith cyntaf i fi. Ydw, dwi'n hoffi siarad Cymraeg gyda'r plant. Mae Cymraeg yn fel iaith unigol, felly wrth kind of clywed y plant yn siarad Cymraeg wrth i chi chwarae, mae yn pwysig i fi.
Dwi'n hoffi chwarae gyda y ffrindiau.
My Welsh isn't the best now, but if I can, I will. Like in childcare, it's always implementing it, but when I'm here, it's always just like, right, should we golchi doelo? So it's just implementing little words, because if they don't speak Welsh, it's just kind of getting them to the swing with it, obviously, because it's good to encourage it. And then if there's obviously other Welsh kids, if they don't speak English, then I just talk to them in Welsh as best as I can. They'll teach me a few new words.